guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am sharing with you this long-awaited backdrop, military inspired backdrop. I hope I did justice to this backdrop. I tried so hard. I tried to make it so nice and so pretty and so cute and so affordable. So if you want to see what's going on, then stay tuned and let's get to it. To start, we would need some netting. I bought two nettings. This one I love a lot better because it's not as plasticky and it feels like more like fabric. So I ordered this one first, but they told me it's gonna arrive really late, so I had to order the other one. But then that one arrived with this one, so it was really confusing to me. And I ended up with two. Now I don't know what to do with both of them. So I'm choosing my first choice that is more like fabric-like. And I want to take my pins with pearls on top and pin this fabric right in the middle, straight up. Let's just go with this and we'll see what's gonna happen. I have these wooden boxes that was made by my brother. These are awesome. They have handles, they have these black things over here. They can open, you can store so many things in them. I love them so much, and he asked me if I wanted to paint them in any other color, but I love how they look and they're just perfect. So I ordered this uniform. This is a medium size of kid size. It came with the hat, pants, and the top. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it anywhere, anything like looking like army in our local store, so I had to order here. I'm gonna show you how this uniform should look like, and you tell me if it's looking the same. I think it doesn't look nothing like a picture. It's plasticky, it's very thin, and I'm just so not happy about it. I will still link this uniform in the description below if you don't mind the quality and you don't mind the color. Then go ahead and check it out. Here I have two medallions that I bought on Amazon. I will link a link for them in the description down below. I will take my medallions and my uniform. I'll go to my boxes and make it more pretty, and I'll try to display the uniform in the best way possible. So let's do this. So what I want to do with these medallions, they are a little bit too long, so I'm going to tie a knot right on my chain to make it a little bit shorter, just like that. And I'm going to hang it from this board over here. Then I want to take my hat and close this knot over here. And for this uniform, I like that it has American flag over here and it says Army right over here. So I want to showcase these two things and make it stand out more. Also bought two flags. They're kind of rolling, so I'm laying them on a floor really flat to make them as flat as I can get them to be. And I wanted to add some wear on the display as well. So right now let's move on to other things and we'll finish this up with the flag. I want to add a little something extra to this backdrop, so I want to cut out these triangles and make a banner out of it. So I'm cutting out a few of these. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of construction paper, I'm going from the corner and I'm cutting this in half. Choosing how big I want my flags to be, and I'm kind of folding, making a crease and cutting it. Here you have your first little flag that you're gonna hang it on a twine with little clothespins, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Let me finish with this and we'll move on. I cut out more green triangles. We'll see if it's going to fit what I imagine in my head anyways. And I have these tiny little clothing pins. They are so cute and they came with this twine. So I want to hang the twine on my fabric and attach my triangles on these clothing pins to my twine. Attach my twine to my backdrop. So I took my twine. This one's a little bit thicker than the one that I used on my backdrop, but anyways, I'm going to show it to you. If you have a thicker one, you just simply go inside your twine with a pin with the pearl on top and you just pin it. With the thinner twine, what I suggest is to make a knot and then go in with your pin with a pearl on top, and then it holds really securely on your pin and you're ready to pin. So you go into the fabric and out of the fabric and it's going to hold 100% guaranteed. I have these lights, so I want to try to attach them in the back and see how it's gonna look with these cute lights. How I attached my lights. I just took a pin with the pearl on top. I went in between the wires because there's like 3 wires, just like this. Went into the fabric and turned around and went the other way and pierced through the fabric, and it's gonna hold your lights really well. Here's what I have for you guys today. I love how this backdrop looks and I love the netting. It's not too much, but it's totally enough. I threw my second netting that I showed you a little bit earlier in this video at the bottom, just because I wanted to put more color at the bottom. It looked a little bare and naked for me, so it fits great over here. I love these boxes that my brother made. I wish I could have added a short video when he was making them. When I got the thought about that, he already texted me. He's like, hey, have your boxes ready? He added these handles over here. You can color these boxes in any color you want, and I think he did an amazing job. I love the detail that he did. It looks beautiful, and this is the biggest box, medium, and a small box. I love that I have a flag here and a hat. Definitely I love these pendants here, or that necklace. I don't know what the proper name of it. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. I love this army and flag over here, uniform going on. I love these banners over here because you can write on these flags anything you want, like welcome back, welcome baby, the name of the baby, happy birthday. I mean, whatever you want to write, you can add to these flags and it would look beautiful as well. I love those lights in the back. They add so much to the backdrop, and I will share a couple of pictures and close-ups of this backdrop at the end of this video. Okay, you guys, so I'm sitting here looking at this backdrop, and I think I want to add more green little flags over here, like hanging from the very top down. in green and probably a little bit of brown color. We'll see what's gonna happen. Let's add these on and I'll be done with this backdrop. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this military inspired backdrop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and down below, and I'll be there to chat with you guys. Also, here's a few things that you can change in this backdrop and make it more easier and even more affordable and less hands-on. As you know, as I told you, those boxes, wooden boxes, my brother made them for me. He did an amazing job and I'm so grateful. But if you're not that hands-on, you can substitute those boxes on those regular boxes that I know Walmart sells them, and just stack them on and get the netting, extra netting, and drape netting over those boxes. It would look beautiful as well. Or even cheaper idea, you can get cardboard boxes, different size cardboard boxes. Get yourself brown shipping paper. I love the color of that shipping paper. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, it's just perfect brown. And you can wrap those boxes in that paper. And to add even more interest in those boxes, you can cut out letters. If it's for a baby shower, you can put baby on those back boxes, or if it's a name and you know the name of a baby, you can put the name of the baby on those boxes. Also, if it's welcome, just get more boxes and fit the welcome letters on those boxes. You can add stars, you can add more flags, you can add so much. I mean, my head is spinning right now. It's just out of control with ideas. The uniform that I bought, you don't have to buy that uniform. As I said, you can substitute the uniform with the netting and just drape the netting on the side. Or if you have a family member that is in the military or has something similar to military uniform, you can ask them to borrow the uniform and hang it on your boxes, or you can grab hangers and hang the uniform really nicely on a side. I mean, you can do so much that way. You can save yourself $25 more. I mean, how great is that? And yeah, you guys, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.